Hello everyone, welcome to day 96 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this long wave 3D stitch. So this stitch requires a multiple of 10. So I'm going to start off by making 30 chains. Then you add 6 chains. Now into the second chain from the hook, you're going to start making 5 slip stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in the next 5 stitches you are going to make half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again, next 5 stitches you are going to make slip stitches. You are going to repeat this pattern till the end of the row. Okay. Now again chain 1, and this time we are just going to work in the back loops only, and you are going to repeat the same pattern. On top of the slip stitch we are going to make slip stitches, and on top of the half double crochet you are going to make half double crochets. Okay. So make sure you start from the very first chain. I think I skipped a chain here. The chain 1 counts as the first slip stitch, and then you are going to do 5 half double crochet and 5 slip stitches. You're just going to repeat this till the end of the row. On top of the slip stitches, you'll be making slip stitches. On top of the half double crochet, you'll be making half double crochet. So here we are at the end of the row. You chain 1 and turn your work. So this time you are going to chain 2 and turn your work. Okay. So we are going to alternate the stitches now. Now in this row we'll be making this chain 2 counts as half double crochet. On top of the, again you will be working only on the back loops. On top of the slip stitches you'll be making half double crochets, and on top of half double crochet we'll be making the slip stitches. So 2 rows you maintain the same thing, and the next 2 rows you alternate. So this is the stitch pattern. You can already see the wave stitches forming, and because we are crocheting only onto the back loops, it forms a nice 3D pattern. Okay, so this row will be 5 half double crochets and 5 slip stitches till the end of the row. The next row you will be repeating the same thing, and the next row you will be alternating it. Okay, so this is the pattern. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section below. You can crochet this to any length that you want, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.